Hey guys, today we are announcing the Digit Zero One Award winner for the best gaming laptop. Now, 2020 has not been a very great year. Most of us have been locked up in our homes. OEMs, companies, industries worldwide have had difficulty with supply chain, and it's in general just not been a very productive year. Yet, that hasn't stopped laptop manufacturers from releasing a host of gaming machines in our country. We've seen everything from entry level all the way to super high end machines basically launching, and maybe a few weeks late perhaps, but they've still managed to make it to the market. Now, this year for Zero One, we're basically evaluating all of these gaming laptops to award one with the very best performance. The Digit Zero One Awards are all about recognizing the best performers and completely disregarding things like features, built-in design, specs, etc. So basically what we're looking for is the gaming laptop that delivers absolute maximum performance. And for that, this year, the Digit Zero One Award for the best gaming laptop goes to the Alienware Area 51M R2. This laptop managed to push out the highest frame rates that we've seen in a gaming laptop this year, all thanks to the fact that it's powered by an Intel Core i9-10900K, that's right, that's a desktop processor, along with an NVIDIA RTX 2080 Supermax Q. Let's take a look at what Dell had to say about this achievement.
Hi, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Digit and Zero One for their recognition of Alienware Area 51M as the winner in the gaming category. For the last 22 years, under the Alienware brand, we've been designing high performance and premium gaming devices across laptops and desktops. And with G Series now, we have taken this experience to a much larger audience and helping them game like a pro. The Alienware Area 51M is what we call as the world's most powerful laptop. It's because of its processor upgradability, because of its advanced cooling, and also the fact that it can give a desktop experience in the form of a laptop. We believe that at Dell, with our vast gaming experience, we'll continue to leverage it and make sure that we help gamers get a better and better experience going forward. So once again, thanking Digit and Zero One for this recognition. Thank you.
With that out of the way, while the Alienware did win the best performer, we also have a runner-up. The runner-up for the Digit Zero One Award is this year's MSI GT76 Titan. Now this laptop too is powered by the Intel Core i9-10900K. It's got the same 2080 Supermax Q GPU, but it fell slightly behind in our scoring because of its louder fans and slightly poorer thermals. We also noticed that it lagged a few frames behind the Alienware, bringing it down just a notch and making it the runner-up for this year's Digit Zero One Awards for the best gaming laptop. Last but not the least, we have the Best Buy. Now this is a laptop that gives you great performance, but also at a great price. Well, relatively at least. In this year's case, it is the Acer Predator Helios 700, which takes home the Best Buy title. This laptop is again powered by an Intel Core i9 processor, but instead of being a desktop processor, it's a laptop grade chip. The GPU on here is once again the NVIDIA RTX 2080 Supermax Q. It's got 32 gigs of RAM and a 1TB NVMe drive on board. But the real kicker, and the real reason why it's able to squeeze out maximum possible performance, is thanks to the Hyperdrift keyboard, which slides out, allowing it to pull in more air and therefore overclocking all components to give you better performance. Unfortunately, it was just not able to keep up with the desktop processor and corresponding configuration of the Alienware. So there you have it guys. This year's Digit Zero One Award for the best gaming laptop goes to the Alienware Area 51M R2. Big congratulations to you guys at Alienware and Dell. And for the rest of the winners, stay tuned to our website and to our YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you don't miss any future updates from us. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one.